Okay, here's how to make your phone run faster. Go to settings. Now look for about phone. So depending on your phone, you can either say build number directly, but for my phone, I'll just go under version information. So what we are looking for is the build number. So you click on the build number 3 times. So you click on the build number 3 times, and then you can go ahead and search for developer options. So click on the developer options, then scroll down to where you see these three settings and change each of them to zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5, and zero point 0.5. So this will make your phone run faster. So another alternative to finding your developer option is to go to settings and click on systems and click on advanced. Then you see developer options. Now if it's your first time of using developer options, you require your phone password before you go ahead. So from the developer options, you go back to that and then change your settings to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and your phone will become faster.